A courtroom drama you won't believe, a last-minute twist, a shocking plea, and a deal that could change everything. What really happened behind those courtroom doors? Stay tuned, because this case takes a turn you won't see coming.
24 CR 1735 is now called the state of Texas versus, is it Corleone?
Well, Corleone.
Corleone? Because it's an Italian name.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. And I'm Italian, so.
Judge, I think you've called the case that we're going to dismiss for a plea on the companion.
1735 is to be dismissed.
Yes, sir.
And I'm going to take this document out then and put it into the other file.
Thank you, Judge.
And 25 CR 601 then will be the case that we enter a plea on.
Yes, Your Honor.
And does the defendant waive a formal reading of this indictment on the arraignment here? Can we proceed in summary?
Yes, sir.
In summary, Mr. Como, this indictment alleges, this is an indictment handed up by the grand jury on May 28th of 2025. It alleges in summary that on or about May 13th, 2025 in Jefferson County, Texas, you committed the first-degree felony of aggravated kidnapping. Do you understand what you're charged with here?
Yes, sir.
This is a first-degree felony, which means if convicted, you face a term of life in prison or any term of not more than 99 years or less than 5 years in prison. In addition, a fine may be assessed not to exceed $10,000. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
An agreement has been reached where you would be pleading guilty, sentenced to 15 years in prison. Then the other case that's pending, 24 CR 1735, the third-degree felony of evading arrest or detention with a motor vehicle, will be dismissed. And also, of course, you were given full credit for time served in connection with this case. Do you understand that to be the plan?
Yes, sir.
If I follow this agreement, you have no right of appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
I don't understand. What makes this aggravated kidnapping? I'm looking at the statute and
It's under A4, Judge.
inflicting bodily injury
Yes, sir.
with intent to inflict bodily injury or violate or abuse him sexually.
The or there,
Where's
the or is important here in this matter, Judge.
okay?
Paragraph, subparagraph 4 would be to take bodily injury on them. And that's what's alleged here in our indictment.
So it's the first part of subpart 4. 20.
That is my understanding.
Subpart A, subpart 4, which has two methods: inflicting bodily with intent to inflict bodily injury or to violate or abuse them sexually.
Yes, sir.
And all
Or
that
bodily injury.
with intent to inflict bodily injury.
And that's what's detailed at the caption of the offense as well, Judge.
Do you understand what you're charged with here?
Yes, sir.
And the punishment range, again, is no less than 5, no more than 99 years confinement in prison or life imprisonment. And that the agreement is that you will be pleading guilty, sentenced to 15 years in prison. All of that true and correct?
Yes, sir.
If I follow this agreement, you have no right of appeal of your case. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
How do you plead to this indictment as alleged? First-degree felony of aggravated kidnapping with intent to inflict bodily injury on the victim, guilty or not guilty? Are you pleading guilty voluntarily? That is on your own free will, and because you are guilty. That's a yes or no.
Oh, yeah.
Show you what's marked as State's Exhibit 1, sir. Did you sign that document voluntarily? Did you understand it, discuss it with your attorney, or the contents? You don't have to sign it. You've already signed it. Is everything true and correct?
Yes, sir.
State's Exhibit 1 tendered into evidence without objection, admitted. And that is your signature at the bottom, right? Yes. Okay. Among other things, State's Exhibit 1, which is made a part of this record for this hearing, states you are mentally competent to enter your guilty plea and freely and voluntarily made. You know what you've been charged with. The indictment's been read to you. You've read it. You are guilty of the crime charged in any lesser included offenses. You are giving up your rights to a jury trial and the rights to the appearance, confrontation, cross-examination of witnesses. You were totally satisfied with the representation provided by your lawyer. All of this is true. It states, so help you God. That's what this states.
Yes,
That's what it states, correct? I swear all the following, as well as the testimony I give, is the truth, so help me God.
Witnesses?
If you have a trial, you have witnesses, but you don't have a trial, you need to take it here, so there's no witnesses. She's asking if that's true and correct.
Is all of this true and correct that you signed?
I don't know.
Sir?
I don't know.
That was withdrawn. We will set it for trial. That is all there is to this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Are you kidding me? You're going to play a game
I'm not trying to play a game.
on the last minute of the fourth quarter?
Please let me take a picture. Please. Please, God. Please.
I think he wants to take, I mean, you understand everything's true and correct.
Everything is trying correct. Please, God. Please, God. Take a picture.
Thank you, Judge.
Everything is trying.
Stop.
Because you're under oath,
Oh, bro. Yes, sir.
and you start falsifying under oath, those are crimes.
Yes, sir.
This is serious enough. You don't want to multiply your problems, do you?
No, sir.
All right. So once again, State's Exhibit 1 is admitted. And this is, you have signed this, State's Exhibit 1 under oath. All is true and correct. So help you God.
Yes, sir.
And a pre-sentence report is waived.
Yes, sir.
All right. Anything from the state to add?
No.
I'm going to follow then this agreement and make the findings that you are mentally competent to enter your guilty plea. You understand and appreciate the consequences of pleading guilty. You are entering your guilty plea freely, voluntarily, knowingly, intelligently, and based upon discussions with your attorney. There is sufficient evidence supporting your guilty plea, which State's Exhibit 1 admitted in this hearing, to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt of this first-degree felony of aggravated kidnapping. I now find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt of this offense. And I am following this agreement. You are hereby sentenced to confinement in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Criminal Justice to serve a term of 15 years. You will be given credit for all time you have served in accordance with your custody in this case. And then we got another case to dismiss, right?
I've said that. You should have it, Judge.
Before the court. The case is hereby dismissed as part of this agreement. Do you understand what has happened today, sir?
Yes, sir.
Anything else?
Nothing, Judge. Appreciate you.
Thank you very much. That is all.
This is just one chapter of jaw-dropping court moments. If you want to see more shocking cases, unexpected twists, and real courtroom drama, hit that subscribe button now. Don't miss a single moment.